Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can use PaySafe Card on iPhone. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First, download the PaySafe Card application. You can find the PaySafe Card application in the App Store. Just search for PaySafe Card and download the application. If you don't already have a PaySafe Card account, you will need to create one. Then simply log in with your existing credentials. You can enter your PaySafe Card PIN into the application. This will add them to your balance. When you are ready to make a payment, select PaySafe Card as your payment method at the checkout of the online shop. Then simply enter the 16-digit PaySafe Card PIN. So that's basically how you can use PaySafe Card on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.